In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to construct a contingency table for a given bivariate dataset with at least one qualitative variable. And we're going to do this problem together. So first of all, let's acknowledge that we have two variables. One is the school level, the other one is the school type. Both are qualitative, and therefore contingency table is the only way to go. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to list all the values of one variable. It appears to be ordinal, the school level. So let's list elementary, middle, and high school. And on the other axis, we're going to list all the school types, which is public and private. And the way we're going to summarize the data is one by one. I'm going to read an observation and I'm going to find which cell does it belong to. Student number 1 is elementary public. It belongs to here, and I'm going to put a tally right over here. Student number 2 is middle school public. Student number 3 is high school public. Number 4 is high school public. Number 5 is elementary private. Number 6 is middle school public. Number 7 is middle school public. Number 8 is elementary private. Number 9 is middle school public. Number 10 is elementary private. Number 11 is high school private. Number 12, middle school private. Number 13, high school public. Number 14, elementary private. Number 15, elementary public. Number 16, high school private. Number 17, middle school public. Number 18, elementary private. And number 19, high school private. There you go. And now we just need to replace the tallies with the actual frequency. So here we have 2, here we have 5, here we have 3, here we have 1, here we have 5, and here we have 3. And this is what we call a contingency table that summarizes this bivariate data. So the last thing that we have to do is to answer the question to get credit for it, and let's copy all the entries, and we're almost done. There you go. If you have any questions, let me know. If you want to do another similar question, look for this link in the description of the video